So I heard this morning that a lot of motivational speakers, influencers, they fake it till they make it. And the only reason I'm saying this because I want to ask you, are you faking it until you make it? In order to get some real results, you have to do some work. You have to do some work. So if they faking it and then they made it, they had to do some work to fake it. Now I don't believe in faking it. And I won't even say fake it. I say just keep working. But I don't try to act like something that I'm not. I am who I am. But I do know this. If we work together, we can get further than where we are right now. You know, you want to watch someone else struggle or achieve their goals, and then you sit back with jealousy or envy. Why? You could have helped out. You could have been a part of it, but you choose to stand back and say that's going to be too hard, or ain't nobody gonna let you do that, or that's gonna be impossible, or I don't know nobody over here. If I haven't learned nothing else, the only thing it takes to survive, to truly survive, is the willpower to survive. Hold on.